Now I am explaining your fifth lesson. Yes, the life-giving seed. Yes, how do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce by giving birth to young ones or laying eggs. But how do plants reproduce? Some plants reproduce with seeds. Yes, some seeds we have no. When we put that seeds in the mud and pour water and put it in the sunlight, they start growing into a small plant. But some reproduce from the mother tree. Yes, and some plants reproduce through spores. See, whenever you have seen a leaves like this. Yes, some leaves have a pores like this, small dots on the leaf. Yes, these are called spores. What are they called? They are called spores. Yes, when these spores fell down in the mud, when these fall down in the mud, they start growing into a new plant again. Yes. Some plants like fern plant and moses do not bear flowers, so they have no seeds. Yes, कोई भी झाड़ जिसको ये देखो ये फर्न प्लांट मोजेस प्लांट बोल के है, वो लोगों को क्या है, फ्लावर्स नहीं आता, फ्रूट्स नहीं आता, खाली पत्ते रहते. वो कैसे फिर नए नए पत्ते कैसे आते? तो ये पोर्स है ना, जो भी पोर्स है ये डॉट्स, जब ये सीड्स के जैसा जब ये नीचे गिरता तो उसमें से फिर नया पत्ते आने लगते. Yes. These plants produce new plants from spores. Spores are dust-like substances produced in capsules and in underside of the fern plant. वो क्या पत्ते के नीचे की तरफ रहते కదా, ఆకుకి కింది సైడ్ ఉంటాయి ఆ స్పోర్స్. ఎప్పుడు when they fall down, when the wind blows కదా, किसको तो भी जड़ते, कैसे जड़ जाते वो पत्ते के ऊपर जो स्पोर्स है ये डॉट्स, ఇవి కింద ఎట్లా పడతాయి, కిందకు ఉంటాయి కదా, గాలి వచ్చినప్పుడు వాటర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు. yes, all these spores fall down in the ground. Okay, now how do some plants reproduce? Body parts of the new plants from the body parts of a parent. When new plants grow from the part of a parent plant, it is called vegetative propagation. It does not involve two parents. Yes, see, from roots, carrots and radish plant grows from the roots of the mother plant. Yes, how to carrot, radish, वो roots के अंदर नीचे जो भी root है mother plant के अंदर उधर grow होते కదా, roots की పెరుగుతాయి కదా carrot और radish. Yes. Now potato, from stem, potato will grow from the stem. Ginger, potato, the buds commonly used as eye from over surface of the and produce. Yes. Now new plants like rose, money plant and sugarcane grow on by cutting stem. Rose, sugarcane वो क्या है, थोड़े ऐसे बीच के स्टेम है ना, इसको कट करके फिर नया स्टेम ऐसा नया झाड़ में लगाए तो इधर से कट करते ना बीच में से, वहां से भी नया प्लांट आ जाता. किसके लिए? रोज, मनी प्लांट. आप लोग देखो मनी प्लांट कहीं भी है तो तोड़ के लाके फिर जमीन में लगाए तो फिर नया मनी प्लांट आता नहीं. yes. Now begonia and brophyllum leaves grow buds on their leaf margin. Yes. Yes, some plants grow with the roots, under the roots, to the roots, and some grow to the stem. Some grow when the stem, half stem is cutted, and some grow from the leaves. Okay. Now new plants from seeds. जो भी plant seeds क्या बोलते दाने, वो लोग के सीड्स रहते ना. अब देखो मैंगो, मैंगो के अंदर जो టెంక आता పీచు ఉంటది కదా, మ్యాంగో పీచు మనం తీసుకెళ్లి మట్టిలో పెట్టామనుకో, కొన్ని పీచులు మళ్ళీ చెట్టు చిన్నగా చెట్టులాగా మొలుస్తాయి కదా, అట్లనే పపాయ సీడ్స్ అండ్ మ్యాంగో, ఆరెంజ్ సీడ్స్. yes, some they all grow from the seeds. See, structure of a seed. Now we are going to see structure of a seed. Yes, the outer covering of the seed is called seed coat. Yes, now I am going to show you structure of a seed. Yes, your seed is like this. Yes, and it will have like this here. Yes, like this you will have. Yes, when two seeds here, two seeds we have. Now you see children, this is a seed. Yes, the outer layer of it is called as seed coat. What is it called? Seed coat. Now this is called as radicle. And the small green color with leaf it is grown inside the seed is called as plumule. Yes. And these two middle parts are called as cotyledons. Okay? Yes. Now you see. The outer covering of the seed is called as seed coat. See, the outer covering of the seed is called as seed coat. And this may be thin and soft and in beans or thick as it is in coconut. Okay? The seed coat थोड़े जने को thick रहता, थोड़े जने में बहुत gut रहता. Inside the seed coat are two leaf-like structures called cotyledons. Yes, inside the seed you have two. ये ऐसे break करे तो ऐसा आता, नहीं? कदा మనం చిక్కుడుకాయ గింజలు ఇట్లా విరగొడితే రెండు parts అవుతాయి కదా? Yes, that is called as cotyledons. इसमें से break हो गए तो ये ऐसे दोनों निकलता. Yes, it contains the food for the baby plant. Seeds that have two cotyledons are called dicots. And those have only one are called monocots. Yes, अगर तोड़ के दो निकाले तो दो सीड्स दो आइता ओपन हुए तो उसको बोलते हैं डिकॉट्स. दो अगर एक ही रहता टूट नहीं सकते वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डिकॉट्स. Sorry, monocots. The embryo is in the middle of the cotyledon. Now the seed coat protects the embryo from injury and from drying out. The embryo has a plumule and radicle. The radicle develops into a root and plumule develops into a shoot. Yes? See, the seed coat, between it has an embryo, children. This. Yes? It slowly, when you pour water, it slowly develops into a plumule. Plumule बोले तो छोटा jar. And radicle. Radicle बोले तो shoot system. Shoot बोले तो नीचे वाला. Root system. Plumule. Okay? They slowly develops. Now, what the seeds needs to grow, children? जो भी seed आप मिट्टी में लगाए तो वो इसको क्या चाहिए? A seed needs correct temperature, mud, water, sunlight. Mainly it needs sunlight. Yes? Germination is a process where, see, I have kept it to you. Have you all remembered? నేను సైన్స్ ఫేర్ లో కూడా పెట్టాం మనం ఒక 5 bowls పెట్టేసి seed germination of a seed. Did I show you all? Yes. See here, they are showing you the diagram. The seed first slowly gets a small line, then two leaves, then slowly grows into a plant. Now, dispersal of seeds. How are seeds dispersed, children? Yes. If the seeds just fall on the ground under the parent plant, they will not get enough sun, water and nutrients from the soil. So, plants have developed methods to disperse their seeds. Seeds dispersed means scattering of seeds from one parent plant to the other. They get enough space, air and water and sunlight to grow a new plant. Wind, water and animals and birds are the seed explosion and some agents of dispersal. Yes, dispersal बोले तो क्या है? दूर चले जाना. देखो अगर यहाँ पर झाड़ है, इसके सीड्स यहाँ ही गिरे तो फिर इधर से नया झाड़ निकलने के लिए इसको प्लेस रहता नहीं रहता. इसलिए क्या होता? ये सीड्स जो भी नीचे गिरे वो पानी के साथ बह जाके दूर जाके रुक जाते కదా. వేరే వేరే చోట్లకి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. కొన్ని ఎట్లా సీడ్స్ కింద పడ్డ సీడ్స్ అన్ని ఎట్లా మూవ్ అయిపోతాయి ఇక్కడి నుంచి అక్కడికి? మన ఫుట్ కి చెప్పులకు అంటుకొని లేకపోతే బర్డ్స్ కదా, బర్డ్స్ వల్ల బర్డ్స్ వాటిని తినడానికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ అక్కడ పడేయడం వల్ల. ఎస్, వాటర్, విండ్ గాలికి ఎగిరిపోయి అలా అన్నమాట. Yes, like that the seeds will disperse from one place to another. Dispersal बोले तो मूव हो जाना, चले जाना वहां से. Yes, wind. See, हवा से कैसे seeds उड़ जाते हैं यहाँ से देखो. Seeds that are scattered by wind are usually small and light. जो भी wind के लिए हवा को उड़ना बोले तो वो बहुत हल्का रहना, नहीं छोटा भी हल्का रहना. हल्का रहे तो ये हवा को उड़ सकते, नहीं हवा से थोड़े जाते हैं वो लोग. Seeds from plants like dandelions, swan plant and cottonwood trees are carried long distance by the wind. Some seeds are winged. Yes, ये plants के seeds हल्के रहते, वो क्या हो जाते, हवा में उड़ जाके दूसरी जगह कहीं भी नीचे गिर जाते ना, वहां से फिर नया प्लांट निकलता. Now explosion. Explosion बोले तो वो टूट जाना, टूट जाके. सी पी बोले तो मालूम आप लोगों को, बटानी रहती ना, ग्रीन कलर की बटन, मटर बोलते ना, मटर, उसको बोलते पी. Balsam and castor have seed pods that dry, and when they are ripe and pods split open and they explode scattering the seeds inside. Yes, वो लोग को ऐसे ही रखे तो क्या हो जाता, वो लोग सूख जाके फूट जाता, ओपन हो जाता, सीड को नहीं ओपन हो जाके उनके अंदर के जो भी मटेरियल है वो बाहर दूर तक गिर जाता. यस. नाउ वाटर. मेनी प्लांट्स, यस, वाटर के साथ साथ चले जाते ना, थोड़े वाटर में मूव हो जाते ना, वो है वाटर. मेनी प्लांट्स सीड ऑफ द सीड्स डिस्पर्स बाय वाटर. सी देखो यहाँ पर नारियल दिखा रहा आप लोगों को. नारियल देखो, जब भी वो झाड़ पे से नीचे गिर गए बहुत तेज हवा आके, तो वो पानी में बह जाके दूर तक चले जाता, नहीं, जोर से जब भी पानी आया तो वो दूर तक चले जाके वहां रुक जाता. वो नारियल पानी में भीग के फिर उसमें से नया झाड़ छोटा वाला आने लगता. Now animals. See, here they are showing you how the seeds are dispersed by the animals, children. देखो वो मुंह में ले जाके इधर उधर खाते खाते थोड़े छोड़ देते ना, वो है. Yes. Now we are going to see. Did you all follow how the seeds are dispersed? Now come on, do the textbook exercises of this number. I am going to send 2 lesson notes in the WhatsApp group. We are going to complete this. Okay? Come on, do the textbook exercises. Page number 144. Page number 144, children. Okay? Seed leaves are called. Yes, what are seed leaves called, children? Seed leaves are called as embryo. Yes. Cotyledons. It is there, cotyledons. Yes. Seed leaves are called as cotyledons. First one, seed. Take seed. Yes. Now, that is essential for the germination of seed. Air, water and sunlight. See, children. तीन भी होना. Now, that grows from roots of the parent plant. Radish. B. Now, the seed of lotus are dispersed by water. A. Now, the baby plants get its food from the roots. Yes. Now, go to fill in the blanks, children. Plants dash in different ways. Reproduce. Plants reproduce. 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 Second, ferns reproduce through spores. 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 Yes. Third one, a thick outer protective covering called dash protects the seed. Outer covering, seed coat. Outer covering को क्या बोलते हैं? Seed coat. Now, the seeds of a dash are dispersed by wind. Swan plant. Fifth one, coconut seeds are dispersed by water. Over, children. Now go to true or false. True or false, children. Reproduction happens in living and non-living things. No, non-living things do not reproduce. False. Now, seeds that have two cotyledons are called monocots. No, single have monocots. False it is also. Third one. When new plants grow from seeds, it is called vegetative production. No, when new plants grow from the mother plant, it is also false. Seeds of dandelion are dispersed through the wind. Yes, true. Fifth one. Seeds of plasma are dispersed by explosion. Yes, true. Over children, yes, today I am going to send you fourth lesson and fifth lesson question and answers, hard words. You are going to write them in your classwork. Okay, read the lesson children.